This is a review of the folding desk that is a 31.5 inches. It is a portable desk for your laptop and for your desktop computer. That is no installation that you need to do, so nothing to install. It comes ready out of the package, which is a huge plus and something I absolutely love about this product. So all we have to do is just unbox this, and from there, the product comes ready without any installation. So without going any further, let's open this thing up and show you guys how this folding desk looks like. And check this out right over here. It already comes all installed. No need to install the legs or anything like that, or use a Phillips head screwdriver or any screws at all. It already comes ready, out of the package. Now what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna take this out and show you guys more in depth about this folding desk. So one thing I absolutely love about this folding desk before we get any further is the legs to save the space is really a big game changer. All you have to do is put your leg down like this, and then you just press down like that. Same thing for the other side. Just put your leg right over here. And it really is a big game changer when it comes to saving space. Okay, so here's the finished results on this folding desk. Like I told you guys before, it is a 31.5 inches. It is in a color brown. And I absolutely love this table because of the fact that it comes with no assembly required, no install required. It just comes ready out of the package. The best part of all is that if you're not using it, for example, and you want to save your storage and space, then one thing you could do is put this underneath your bed whenever you're not using it, or you could put it underneath your couch as well too, depending on the level of space you have underneath. You could put it into your sofa, your bed, anywhere to, just to save the space and storage. Another thing I also love the fact about this folding desk is that the quality for the legs are really high quality. It is a steel quality structure, and I can show you guys right over here. You can see as I tap it, steel quality, really high quality. Now right over here is where the mechanism goes. So whenever you're not using it, these two legs, they fold itself up. It has like the springs underneath right over here where they fold, and they just close it up like that, and you just put it back whenever you're not using it. But overall, if you're looking for a strong, sturdy folding desk where you could use your laptop, computer, or anything, or just to put onto the side, like for example, you can see I have my phone, I have my computer placed right there, my laptop, and just to keep it like that. Or you could just also put your like decorations as well too, depending on what you're trying, your preferences on what you're trying to use it for. Then I would definitely recommend it because of the fact that it is strong and sturdy. You can see here as I'm tapping on it as well too, it's not moving anywhere. It's like strong and sturdy and durable. It won't move anywhere at all either. But yeah, if you're looking for a folding desk that you can use for your computer, your laptop, or any accessories that you have, and you just you live in a bedroom or a dorm, you're looking for to have a computer desk that doesn't take a lot of space, then this right over here is probably one of the best folding desks that you could get, and I would definitely recommend this product.